At least give me one of them. I mean,
we're on this side anyway.
you're leaving that one?
I thought we were on this side.
Thank you. We are back at Boss Pro Karting. We have a ridiculous. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go. We have a ridiculous course. It features traffic effectively. We are going to be using the same part of the track multiple times. People are going to be exiting and entering in this part right here. It's going to be wild. We've done this like once or twice before, a very long time ago, and it gets crazy. Oh boy, Brandon, let's go. Come on, bud. No! Dave! Man, let's try not to turn Brandon. Dave's pushing me. Aggressive Dave has arrived. Alright, we'll keep that in mind. We'll keep it in mind. These tires are very cold. Alright, Dave, push him out of the way for me. Let me catch up and then push Brandon out of the way too. Ugh. Yeah, the traffic makes things a little interesting, huh? Yeah, you can push me, bud. That's fine. Who's behind me? Brian's behind me. Okay. Whoa! What a move, Dave! What a move! What a move! I have a hair on my nose. Oh my god, there's 12 laps left? Nice traffic. Whew. This is tiring. Holy moly. Oh, it is hopping so bad there. Oh. This is so tiring. Oh, there's so much turning. I'm gonna be exhausted by the end of the night. Oh man, we are driving bad. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. I need to figure out a strategy to, oh my god, we're hopping so badly there. I cannot get this thing to stop hopping. It's crazy. I'm losing so much time because of that. Oh no! Oh jeez, oh man! Holy moly! This is such a wild format. Oh, thank goodness it's over. Well, come on, bruh. Give me one. You don't need three. He doesn't need that. He definitely doesn't need that. Thank you. Back for another race. This is a sketchy format. I don't even know if I explained it properly in the first one, but this is basically the closest thing to figure eight racing that you are going to get in a go-kart track. We are using this part of the track twice. We have to enter here. Oh goodness. Come on, Dave, let's go. Enter here, do a full lap, and then exit over here and continue with the rest of the lap. It's wild. Oh God, there's a cone over there. Okay. All right, Dave, let's go, bud. Come on. They gotta fix the cone.
2 seconds later.
All right, well, Graham just lost the place, unfortunately. Come on, Dave, let's go. Did somebody roll past him and the caution? Oh boy, this is such a wild course. Such a wild course. Oh God, okay. All right, well. No, Brandon. God, listen, God. All right, well, we'll get you back, don't worry. Oh God, come on, bud. Well, that's unfortunate. What happened now?
2 hours later.
Single file restart. Let's go! Okay, all right. Oh, Brian. Made me skid a little bit. That's okay. It's okay. Oh, boy. Oh, no, Joe got into it. I'm sorry. You hate to see that happen. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm sorry, that's how we got to pass on this one. I usually don't drive like this. I'm sorry. Oh boy, we are sliding. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, that's what we gotta do. Gotta pay attention to traffic. Gotta pay attention to traffic. Oh boy. We tried our best to navigate it with minimal casualties. And I think we succeeded. Oh God. We are driving like this thing's tires are very cold. Sorry, Brian. Sorry. Okay, good. We tried to thread the deal. We didn't thread it as well as we could have. Well, we're out here for the feature race. Qualified, I think, 8th. Yeah, it was a tough one today, but you know what? It is just a wild night. I don't know what Graham's doing back there, We'll see how this goes. It's going to be sketchy. They have added a Joker lap to this race, where we just go straight through instead of actually trying to, Oh, no, I'm sorry, bud. Oh, boy, you lost a lot of places. I'm sorry. You got pushed to the outside, and it was not good for you. Oh. Basically, this whole course is going to be like finding the inside and trying to make moves or bump passing in the oval. That's like what this whole course is going to be. The whole thing. Our traffic is going to start coming into play here. Yep, see, we're finding inside spots, trying to take them when we can. Oh boy, this is gonna be a tough one. Oh no, son of a! Go, Dave! Go, Dave! Go! 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 Oh, okay, okay, fine. Fine. Someone is smacking me back there. Oh man, that was a horrible situation. Horrible situation, but I think we might get a little rewarded with a yellow flag here.
Several song-filled hours later.
I actually don't know what the lap counter looks like when I'm supposed to take the dang Joker, so I might just have to take one next time. And hope for the best. In fact, I think next time I do have to take it. Come on, Zach, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It says one lap left. Isn't this the end? Oh no, Zach, I'm sorry. It says over. There are no laps left on this race. How long are we going? Are we still going, or what's happening? Oh, go. No.